up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today, well, I'm really just gonna be hanging with you guys. But today, we are just. Do you hear that? What is that? Guys, seriously, what is that? Like, look, there's nothing even there. What is that? Guys, what is that? What is that? Hey, have you seen anything?
What?
Have you seen anything?
No way.
Because I heard, like, banging.
I'm just hanging with Bunny doing the dishes. I didn't even drop anything yet.
Did you say hi?
Hello.
What was that? You didn't see anything?
I didn't see anything.
I don't know what that was. Well, that was weird. But, like, that was super freaky. Like, what was that? I don't know what that was. But, did you guys hear that? Because if you guys didn't, then I must be, like, going crazy. Because it's, like, weird. I don't know. It's really weird. I don't know. Like, that was a really weird noise. Sorry. But that was so weird. That was a really weird noise. But I made slime a couple days ago. I forgot to film it. But, so yeah. So, yeah. I don't know what that noise was. But I've been hearing some pretty weird noises. But yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys what my slime looks like. It is so, like, perfect. I don't know how, like, like, normally my slime gets, like, weird. I don't know why. But this slime's, like, perfect. It's, like, stretchy. It's, like, green. I wanted to make it green for, like, Halloween. But, so I might vlog on Halloween because I'm not going trick-or-treating, but I am having a Halloween party, and I definitely will be filming there. But yeah. So, I don't know if I'm gonna vlog, but hopefully I will be able to. But, yeah. So, like, look. Pivot, come here. She's not very smart, but I love her. But, like, hey, Mom, come here. Do you hear that? Wait, guys, do you hear that? Do you hear that? Is it, like, just me? I don't know. I feel like I'm hearing stuff. Mom, I feel like I'm hearing stuff.
What did you hear?
I don't know. I feel like I'm hearing, like walking up and down the stairs.
That's scary. Nobody's up there.
That's weird. I don't know. Like, that's really weird. But yeah, like, But yeah, that's weird. I was hearing like footsteps up and down the stairs. So guys, my hair is really messy. It's because I had to go to dance. Okay, I finally took it down. It's been up in a ponytail all day. So, but it's weird. Oh my gosh, do you hear that? Wait, guys, can you hear that? I don't know if I'm like going crazy. Turn such you guys out. Wait, can you guys see me good? I don't know. Okay, here we go. Finally. My mom doesn't film because she's busy. Wait. Do you guys hear that? It's so weird. Mom! Do you hear that? Like, I feel like I hear stomps. It's really weird. I'm an only child, if you did not know that. I'm an only child. I'm an only child, so I get my own room. I have my own TV. It's up there. That's what you hear in the background. This is my cat. It's not real. See, can't feel anything. But that's really weird noises. I don't know what that is, but I don't know. So I have no clue what that is. But yeah. I have no idea. What are you doing? Her hand's all soapy. Her hand, like, from here up was all soapy. There's always soap on my floor now. My head hurts from a ponytail. Whenever your head hurts, like, push your hair up and hold your hair, and it like makes it loose. It doesn't look very good, but or get your fingers and like do this and leave it there for a couple minutes. Take it down and it'll look like this, and your hair will be like up high a little. Doesn't look great, but your head doesn't hurt anymore. So yeah, but I don't even know why I'm vlogging right now. I just wanted to talk to you guys. Say hi. What's up? So guys, have you ever felt like your house is haunted? I want to say, go in the description down below and answer, but you can't. Or go, check out stuff. I don't know. But by the time you're seeing this, it's probably going to be like Halloween. So my new vlog will probably just be going out. I don't have to go to school tomorrow. I just went to school today. So today's Monday. I go to school Monday and Thursday. All the other days I'm online. Wednesday I'm all like remote. But you might as well call me Mrs. Krabs. Jayla Krabs. Look at how crafty I am, bro. Look at how so I'm being a rock star for Halloween. As I mentioned in Q&A with Maddie. Maddie's a mermaid. Self-promo. I don't know. Self-promo. Love Julie and the Phantoms. So, I'm trying to be Julie from Julie and the Phantoms. She's the lead singer. But, yeah. Mommy. Oh, sorry, I thought I heard something. I don't know. I thought my mom was calling my name. But today, but so like, I don't know, but kind of got a little distracted. So I'm going to go over my outfit with you guys. Sorry, I'm sitting in bed. I am so sorry. I didn't even pick it out yet. It's like school. Hashtag school. Ow! Okay, guys, I will show you my Halloween costume on the day of my Halloween. All right, now I am picking out my outfit. Hello, mother. So I don't know what the weather's gonna be. Hey, mommy, can you check the weather? So that's what I'm doing today. Okay, sorry. Sorry, I'm watching Rebecca's and Lolo. Hey, mommy, can you check the weather?
She may look young, but don't be fooled. She sees with no eyes and senses your fears. Try and hide, but you always see yours. There's a bottom line. It says.
Tomorrow?
No, I mean on Thursday, because I'm picking out my outfit for Thursday.
Because we opened this book, that's why she showed up. She can't be destroyed. Game Master Network, do you believe that this doll might be haunted? And when we read this, we opened the spirit, so they won't go away now? We need to figure
66, so is that like shorts or no?
No.
Okay.
Did not work, so why don't we all split up? 1 minute, meet back here, find different items to destroy the doll. One of them has to work.
Black?
Destroy the creepy
Yeah,
doll.
black them.
There's only 4 of us.
4 ways to destroy the creepy doll.
Okay, 1 minute, get an item, and meet back here.
Oh, I'm gonna show you my outfit. Let me.
Hey, Game Master Network, I don't have any items to destroy the creepy doll because I am going to drop her from our balcony, which is 35 feet high. You guys saw when we were training for Home Alone and we used the Red Hood spot. We threw the dummy over and it totally crashed. So I think all you have to do is throw the creepy doll over here.
Guys, so this is the.
She's not gonna have a crash pad. Okay, I gotta get this. Master Network, I'm gonna be using the pool to destroy that creepy doll.
So, this is the shirt I'm wearing.
all those evil ghosts. And I'm gonna be using this block from the motherboard to make sure that she sinks. Do you think that the doll's a ghost and instead of
See,
okay, we need to
this
hurry.
is the shirt I'm wearing.
Hey, Game Action Network. I'm gonna be destroying creepy dolls by crushing crunchy and soft things with my tech foot.
This is the pants I'm wearing.
Very, very crunchy, creepy.
Under Armour.
I threw it in the garbage can. You guys saw me do that, right? I'm not going crazy, am I?
So the shirt and black pants. Black pants. Ow. Black pants and that shirt. So
Good chance of destroying this doll. And maybe if I do it right, we can finally become best friends.
okay, wait. Okay, sorry. So I'm ready. Okay.
You know, maybe I did. I just forgot about it, okay? Here we go. We got the creepy doll back.
Hi.
Here you go.
Sorry. I getting distracted. But I think I might have to wrap it up. Wait one second, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry. Okay, guys. So that's it for today. She's showing it up. Alright. Bye! Bye, guys! Oh, make sure you subscribe and leave a like.